Hey, welcome back to the channel. And we're here today at Louisville Performance. They're the ones that exclusively work on the Black Widow. And so we're here today with Chung to be able to talk about this classic Ford Bronco with a Gen 2 Coyote swap. Dude, it's awesome. If you're in the classic Ford Broncos, this is the one, and this is how you do it.
Okay, today we have here a Bronco, 1970 Bronco with a Gen 2 Coyote motor. And he was having a no start issue after rebuilding the head, or rebuilding the engine. And it had ran before on his first motor, and it had a broken piston. So he had rebuilt the motor, and then he couldn't get it to start again. We found that the compression is correct at 180 plus or minus 5, and his wiring was not communicating well. And so we noticed that he probed everything correctly, but he was missing the wire. He was probing into the wire, and that was getting a signal, but the wire was separated like 1 or 2 millimeters at the end of the connection. So we took the connection ends and we measured from there rather than probing. And that's the difference between finding a disconnected wire not disconnected. So he found that the wire was disconnected there at that spot. And so our theory is he fixed that wire, put a new connector on, and we'll be firing it later today and see if that does the trick. And it's a Gen 2 Coyote with a 2.9 Whipple supercharger. Basically the stock tunes, nothing extravagant, just with the conversion of Mustang cams rather than F-150 cams. So the cams are different in that ear, so you have to have the correct cam timing. So we'll see how it goes.